Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives towards sustainable blockchain solutions. 1. Introduction. Addressing environmental concerns, the increasing energy consumption and carbon footprint associated with blockchain technology have raised concerns about its environmental impact. Carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives aim to mitigate these concerns by promoting sustainability and environmental responsibility within the blockchain ecosystem. 2. Carbon offsetting in blockchain. Understanding carbon offsetting. Carbon offsetting involves compensating for carbon emissions by investing in projects that reduce or remove greenhouse gases from the atmosphere, such as reforestation, renewable energy projects, and carbon capture technologies. Blockchain-based carbon markets. Blockchain technology can facilitate transparent, auditable, and decentralized carbon offsetting markets, enabling participants to track, verify, and trade carbon credits or tokens representing emissions reductions or removals. 3. Green cryptocurrency initiatives. Reducing energy consumption. Green cryptocurrency initiatives focus on reducing the energy consumption and environmental impact of blockchain networks by promoting energy-efficient consensus mechanisms, such as proof-of-stake (POS) or proof-of-authority (POA), over energy-intensive proof-of-work (POW) algorithms. Renewable energy integration. Some blockchain projects and cryptocurrency mining operations are powered by renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, or hydroelectric power, to minimize their carbon footprint and support the transition to a sustainable energy future. Carbon-neutral transactions. Green cryptocurrency initiatives aim to offset the carbon emissions associated with cryptocurrency transactions by investing in carbon offset projects or purchasing carbon credits to neutralize the environmental impact of blockchain activities. 4. Advantages of carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives. Environmental stewardship. Carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives demonstrate a commitment to environmental stewardship and sustainability, aligning with global efforts to mitigate climate change and transition to a low-carbon economy. Market innovation. By integrating carbon offsetting and sustainability measures into blockchain ecosystems, these initiatives drive market innovation, incentivize responsible behavior, and foster the development of sustainable blockchain solutions. Brand reputation. Participating in carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives enhances the brand reputation and credibility of blockchain projects, attracting environmentally conscious users, investors, and stakeholders. 5. Use cases and applications. Carbon-neutral cryptocurrency transactions. Cryptocurrency exchanges, wallets, and payment platforms can implement carbon-neutral transaction options, allowing users to offset the carbon emissions associated with their cryptocurrency transactions by contributing to carbon offset projects. Blockchain-based carbon markets. Decentralized carbon offsetting platforms powered by blockchain technology enable transparent and efficient trading of carbon credits or tokens, facilitating investment in carbon reduction projects and supporting global climate action initiatives. Sustainable supply chains. Blockchain-based supply chain platforms leverage carbon offsetting and sustainability measures to track and verify the environmental impact of products throughout their life cycle, promoting transparency, accountability, and responsible consumption. 6. Challenges and considerations. Data transparency and verification. Ensuring the transparency, accuracy, and integrity of carbon offsetting and sustainability data on blockchain platforms requires robust verification mechanisms, data standards, and auditability. Regulatory compliance. Carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives must comply with regulatory requirements and standards for environmental reporting, carbon accounting, and emissions trading in different jurisdictions. Technological scalability. Scaling blockchain-based carbon offsetting and sustainability solutions to accommodate large-scale transactions and global adoption requires addressing technical challenges, such as network scalability, transaction throughput, and interoperability. 7. Future outlook. Growing adoption and integration. Carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives are expected to gain momentum and mainstream adoption as blockchain technology matures, regulatory frameworks evolve, and environmental awareness increases. Synergies with Sustainable Development Goals. By aligning with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives contribute to global efforts to combat climate change, promote sustainable development, and achieve environmental sustainability. Innovation and collaboration, ongoing innovation, collaboration, and cross-sector partnerships between blockchain developers, environmental organizations, policymakers, and industry stakeholders will drive advancements in carbon offsetting and sustainability solutions, unlocking new opportunities for greening the blockchain ecosystem. 8. Conclusion. Driving sustainable blockchain solutions, carbon offsetting and green cryptocurrency initiatives play a crucial role in promoting sustainability, reducing carbon emissions, and mitigating the environmental impact of blockchain technology. By integrating carbon offsetting mechanisms, renewable energy solutions, and sustainability measures into blockchain ecosystems, these initiatives pave the way for a more sustainable and environmentally responsible future for the blockchain industry.